Welcome back. We look at number 18 and 19. Number 18, determine whether lines with equations y equal to determine whether lines with equations y equal to x plus 2 and y equal to minus 2x plus 8 will intersect. Determine their point of intersection. So we've got two questions there. 18.1, will they intersect? 18.2, determine their point of intersection. Number 19. Determine whether the lines with equations y equal to 3x minus 4 and 2y minus 6x equal to 8 will intersect. Alright, well, you can stop the DVD and try and then come back for a review. Right. Now when we look at number 18, will they intersect? Well, both the equations are in standard form and the gradients are not the same. You can see the gradient here is 1. Gradient here is 1. And the gradient here is minus 2. So the lines, so let's put 18.1. Let's do it like this. 18.1. Lines not parallel because the gradients are not the same. Therefore, lines are not parallel. Therefore, they must intersect. Therefore, they will intersect. If lines are parallel, they will not intersect. But these lines are not parallel. If you watch the gradients carefully, the gradient here is 1 and the gradient here is minus 2. Gradients not equal, lines not parallel. If they are not parallel, they must intersect. Alright, now 18.2, you got these two equations and you want to find the point of intersection. So you got y is equal to x plus 2 and you got y is equal to minus 2x plus 8 and you want to find the point of intersection. If you want to find the point of intersection, then you must solve simultaneously. That's all you must do. Solve simultaneously. So, if you try to solve these two simultaneously, then you can see that this y will be replaced by that. So, minus 2x plus 8 is equal to x plus 2. There's two ways to look at this question. You can say I'm doing substitution. I'm replacing this y with that because y is equal to this and y is equal to that. So, wherever there is y, I can write that. Another way to do it, you can use the left hand side, right hand side story. If the left hand side here is equal to the left hand side there, then the right hand side here will be equal to the right hand side there. That's called the left hand side, right hand side story. But anyway, we're using the substitution method. There's the equation. This is y, this is y. Therefore, both the y's are the same. The y can be replaced by that. And that gives us minus 2x minus x is equal to 8 goes on that side, minus 8x plus 2, minus 3x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to divide by minus 3, divide by minus 3, you'll have to plus 2, x is equal to 2. Now we found what x is equal to 2. Next, you take y is equal to x plus 2 because x is 2. And you try to find y. So you take this 2 and you take this 2 here, you take this 2 here and put it where there is x. So y is equal to 2 plus 2, y is equal to 4. So the point of intersection is actually the point 2, 4. So the point of intersection is 2, 4. X is 2, y is 4. So that's the point of intersection. So what you can do, you can draw this graph accurately. Use graph paper, draw them accurately and you'll find that they will intersect at 2, 4. Alright? So that brings us to the end of number 18. So to summarize in number 18, if you want to know the point of intersection of any two graphs, you must solve their equations simultaneously. So I've taken the two equations, I've solved, I found x. After I find x, take it and put it in any one of the two. Any one of the two, we choose the easier one. We put it here and we get y equal to 4. So that was number 18. And we are moving to number 19. We are moving to number 19. What does number 19 say? Determine whether these lines will intersect. Well, let's see. This is in standard form, that's fine, but that's not in standard form. So, let's bring it to standard form. 2y is equal to 6x plus 8. Y is equal to divide by 2, 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 divide by 2. Now, we are comparing these two. Well, look at the gradient here. M is equal to 3, called as M1. Look at the gradient here. M2 is equal to 3. The gradients are the same. Gradients are same. Therefore, lines parallel. Therefore, the lines are parallel and they will not intersect. Alright, so that was number 18. So just before we conclude, number 18 and 19. Before we conclude 18, remember, if two graphs are intersecting and you want to find the point of intersection, you must solve simultaneously. So this is actually the point of intersection. So that's the point of intersection. Alright, and then number 19, we're trying to find out whether they can intersect. Well, we bring them to standard form, we compared them, we found the gradients are the same. They are parallel and therefore they will not intersect. Okay, let's move on.